Tahajjud is a time between you and Allah. Pray as much as you can. Ask for forgiveness and pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants you your very desire and wish. Tahajjud is a time when Allah comes down to the lowest of the heavens and grants those who are sincerely asking for forgiveness, mercy, and those who are sincerely asking for something. Never underestimate the power of Tahajjud. He has guided you to make dua for a reason. Tahajjud is a prayer of love, a prayer that a person performs not for his own sake, but for the love of Allah. The sky is full of stars and there is silence everywhere. Then man has a long talk with Allah in solitude. That sajda of Tahajjud is so calm that it seems as if our heart will burst with the love of Allah and the soul will leave the body. Then everything that has been incomplete is completed. Tahajjud is itself a peace. Tahajjud is a simple act of meeting your Lord, making dua and getting all your prayers answered. If you want to see miracles happen, start praying Tahajjud. The dua made at Tahajjud is like an arrow which does not miss its target. The sajda of Tahajjud has a lot of power in itself, and the intensity of the duas asked in Tahajjud can't be compared and rejected.